heart is a bloom. Shoots up.
There's this inevitable conflict when you have a large homeless population right in your business district. The answer to that is long-term solutions. That long-term solution for homelessness is finding housing and services for those that are homeless within my district. And a few years back, we started partnering with social services and realized we needed homeless outreach workers down here that worked just on this issue. And so we started the Navigator program.
We make contact with homeless individuals who are in the downtown area. We basically try to connect them to services that they need, whether it's mental health services, sometimes medical care, mostly housing assistance.
We identified that the chronic inebriates on our street were probably our worst problem. And in 2004, I had over 1,000 referrals of calls to the Sacramento Police Department. And it was just too high. And so we looked at other models. San Diego had a model called the Serial Inebriate Program. We implemented it here in Sacramento.
The criteria to make this list is these people have been arrested, hit emergency rooms or detoxed a minimum 25 times in 1 year. So you can imagine the cost to our community.
And so when Downtown Partnership folks, the Navigators, and Sutter talked to us about possibly arranging to house these chronic inebriates as part of their SIP program, we were very excited because the population that's hard to figure how to house.
When you're not homeless, if you know the cops are not going to run you away, the electricity's going to work, I can take a shower, it gives you an opportunity to make different decisions. I think if you have the opportunity to make a decision, mainly you turn towards sobriety.
One individual that I met in detox came to the housing. His Social Security kicked in shortly after coming in. And as a result of talking to this client and getting to know him, we discovered that he did have a goal of reconnecting with his family. So with permission, we started working on, okay, how to reunite. His 2 daughters and son came to the house. They loved this man so much.
In the past, we would just call the police and people would be sent off to detox and they might be there for a few hours or a couple of days and then they'd be back on the street. Now we know that if we call for assistance, that person will not just be kind of brushed over, but they'll actually be connected with the services that they need so that they don't end up back on our doorstep. So it's really a terrific program, and it's satisfying to know that we're helping people.
We are immensely appreciative of the dollars that we receive from Sutter, but also the partnership we have with Sacramento Self-Help Housing. And last year, I'm proud to say we had less than 300 calls referred over to the detox facility. And it just shows that what you can do when you have that partnership of the private and public sector, when you have social services working hand in hand with law enforcement, and when there's follow-through on these individuals that need that day-to-day care. And that is the strength of our partnership.